Hey guys, it's Erica and welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all doing well, keeping safe and healthy. So today's video is going to be a first impressions and review of Nylon Belt. So they have sent me this product to try out and review for you guys. So let's just get right into the unboxing. Everything is sealed in the plastic. This packaging for some reason reminds me of some sort of game, maybe like a card game, question card game. One belt fits all your needs. I haven't worn a nylon belt since I was probably in elementary school when those garage belts with the two holes all the way around were in style, so it's been a long time. Mainly because I don't really wear belts. Once in a blue moon I'll wear a belt just for an accessory, not really to hold my pants up. Let's just open this right up. So inside the box, there's just black on the lid and it comes in this nice soft bag. We also have some cards, so at the bottom it says you can enjoy 10% off with a coupon, another gift voucher, and then their business card here. So far the packaging is good because it's very compact. I like how everything just fits perfectly. As for the bag, I really like the bag because it's just super soft. And inside here we have the nylon belt. So you just open this right up. I think this is a size small, I believe. So I've noticed that the print has like come off in certain areas. At first I thought that was the style, but I don't think it is. I think it just kind of rubbed off already. This is lightweight. The clasp here is plastic. The ones that I'm used to are metal, so this is a bit different. So it does have this elastic band here where when you put in the belt it'll stay in place. I believe you can probably cut this if you really wanted to, if you needed to make this shorter, and then you would just have to seal the edges, probably with, I would use like a lighter to kind of melt it. At the end of the belt you insert it through, you pull this to however tightly you need it, and then you just press this down. Super easy. I'm going to tug it to show you guys how strong it is. It's actually really strong, so that's good to know. Definitely stays in place. So I have the nylon belt on. It's not used to hold my pants up because these pants are tight. It's just more of like a statement piece. The nylon belt is here. It was really easy to put on. The only thing I would say, it's super long. It literally goes all the way around. It's almost at the other side here. Pretty good. Alright guys, that is the end of this video. I hope that you enjoyed it. Thank you so much to Nylon Belt for gifting me this product. It was really nice of you and it was fun to try out. I haven't worn a nylon belt in a really long time, so that was fun. And if you guys liked this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Leave any questions or comments below and I'd be happy to answer those. Click on that subscribe button and notification bell so you're aware of when I upload my next video. And I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye!